Welcome to Willard Library's virtual Crafternoon. Today we're going to be making a no-sew flannel pumpkin decoration. Be sure to stop by the Adult Services desk at Willard Library to pick up your free craft kit while supplies last. Included in the kit is one standard roll of toilet paper, one square of flannel fabric measuring about 20 inches all the way around. The kit also includes a foot of bendable floral wire and a small piece of premium felt. This one measures 3 inches by 4.5 inches. Not included is a pair of scissors and a pencil. And finally, for the stem of your pumpkin, you can use cinnamon sticks from the grocery store or just regular old sticks from outside, or a combination of both. To start, take your toilet paper roll and unravel it about 8 times around. Now take the tail of your toilet paper and wrap it back around the roll loosely, just like this. Doing this will help to give us more of a pumpkin shape. Unfold your flannel square with the colored side down. Place your toilet paper roll in the center of your fabric square. Take one corner of your fabric and fold it up, pressing the fabric into the center of the toilet paper. I found that it was easiest to do opposite corners first. There really is no right or wrong way to fold your fabric. The best part about this project is if you're not liking the way that your pumpkin is looking, you can always undo it and redo it. In order to make a leaf for my pumpkin, I'm going to cut off 2 of the corners of my felt rectangle. I'm cutting rounded shapes into the felt. It's going to leave me with this point that's kind of reminiscent of a pumpkin leaf. If you prefer to make yours a more rounded shape, go for it. Now we're ready to create the stem for the pumpkin. Lay out your floral wire, then place your sticks or your cinnamon sticks or both in the center of the wire. Carefully take each end of the wire and bend it over the sticks. You're then going to want to twist the wires together a few times just to secure the stem in place. Next, we're going to create some curled pumpkin vines. Wrap one end of the wire around your pencil and then curl it over towards the stem. After you've created your curled vines, you can adjust them as needed. We are now ready to assemble all of our pieces. Take your pumpkin, your stem, and your leaf. Wrap the felt leaf around the stem, and then tuck them into the center of the pumpkin. This should be a snug fit and will help to keep the fabric in place. And there you have it, your pumpkin is ready for display.